What if there was a tool that could write your emails, explain anything you don't understand, help you study, generate ideas, and basically act like a personal assistant, completely free? Most people have heard of ChatGPT, but almost nobody is actually using it the right way. By the end of this video, that changes. Stick around because the last tip alone is going to completely change how you use this thing. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how ChatGPT works, how to set it up in under 2 minutes, and, most importantly, how to get answers that are actually useful. No fluff, no tech jargon, just what you need to know. Let's go. So, what actually is ChatGPT? It's an AI assistant made by a company called OpenAI. You type something to it, it types back. That's the basic idea. But what makes it different from just Googling something? Google gives you links, ChatGPT gives you answers. It doesn't send you somewhere else, it just talks to you, explains things, helps you think things through. It can write emails, summarize long articles, explain complicated topics in simple words, help you brainstorm, write code, translate languages, prepare you for a job interview. Honestly, the list doesn't end. Think of it as a very smart assistant that's available 24/7, never gets impatient, and never makes you feel stupid for asking a basic question. All right, let's open it up. Go to chat.openai.com. That's the official website. You'll see a simple homepage. Click Start for free. Sign up with your email or just connect your Google account. Takes about a minute. Once you're in, you'll see a clean chat screen. Text box at the bottom. That's it. That's the whole interface. Now, there's a free version and a paid version called ChatGPT Plus. Here's the honest answer. The free version is more than enough to start. You can do almost everything with it. The paid version gives you faster responses and access to more advanced features, but for everything in this video, free works perfectly. Here's where most people go wrong. They open ChatGPT, type something like, "Tell me about marketing," and they get this massive wall of text that's kind of useful, but not really what they needed. The problem isn't ChatGPT, the problem is the message. The way you talk to ChatGPT is called a prompt, and the quality of your prompt determines the quality of your answer, always. Here's the simple formula. Tell it who you are, what you want, and how you want it. Bad prompt, write something about dogs. Good prompt, write a short, friendly paragraph about why dogs are great pets for families with kids. Keep it simple and fun. Same topic, completely different result. One more trick. If the answer isn't quite right, just say so. Tell it, make it shorter, or explain it like I'm 10, or give me a different version. It remembers the conversation. You can keep going back and forth until you get exactly what you need. Okay, enough theory. Let's see it actually work. Example 1, writing an email. Type, write a professional email to my boss asking for a day off next Friday. Keep it short and polite. Watch what comes out. Clean, professional, ready to copy and send. Example 2, understanding something complicated. Type, explain inflation like I'm 15 years old. No textbook language, just a clear, simple explanation you can actually understand. Example 3, brainstorming. Type, give me 10 YouTube video ideas for a channel about healthy eating for busy people. 10 ideas in seconds. You can then pick one and say, now give me an outline for that video, and it will. Example 4, studying. Type, I have an exam on World War II tomorrow. Quiz me with 5 questions. It becomes a study partner. It asks you questions, tells you if you're right, and explains what you got wrong. Example 5, everyday tasks. Type, I have chicken, rice, and tomatoes at home. What can I cook for dinner tonight? It gives you a recipe with steps right there. This is what people mean when they say AI saves them time. It's not magic, it's just having something that responds instantly to exactly what you need. Now the part that most beginner videos skip. Tip 1, give it a role. Start your prompt with act as a fitness coach or you are an experienced lawyer and watch how the tone and depth of the answer changes completely. Tip 2, ask for options. Instead of asking for one answer, say, give me 3 different versions of this. More options means you can pick what actually fits. Tip 3, tell it what to avoid. You can say things like, don't use complicated words, or keep it under 100 words, or don't suggest anything that costs money. ChatGPT follows constraints really well. Tip 4, use it to think, not just to write. A lot of people use it just to generate text, but some of the best uses are asking it things like, what are the pros and cons of this decision, or what am I missing in this plan? using it as a thinking partner, not just a writing tool. That's the full picture. ChatGPT, set up, and actually useful in under 10 minutes. The honest truth is, the people who get the most out of AI are not the ones who know the most about technology. They're the ones who aren't afraid to experiment, ask questions, and keep refining. So, open it up, try something, see what happens. If this helped, subscribe. There's a lot more coming on how to actually use AI tools to save time and get more done. See you in the next one.